Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening System Settings and going straight to Apple ID. This begins the fix. Make sure your Mac is on a reliable network and plugged in so updates don't fail. Check the Mac OS version in About to ensure compatibility and have your Apple ID password and the 2FA device available. Once done, sign out only if instructed later. For now, observe any red warnings or prompts under your Apple ID pane so you know which setting needs updating. You now tackle the prompts shown under Apple ID. Click Review or the red banner to reveal required actions. Re-enter your password and approve the sign in using the device that receives the 2FA code. This re-establishes trust and restores sync. Make sure iCloud services like Mail and Contacts show syncing enabled. If not, toggle them off and on to force refresh. Also inspect payment and shipping and recovery contacts. Updating those resolves many account verification failures. Finish by applying any system updates and restarting your Mac. This completes background fixes and refreshes iCloud services. After reboot, open Apple ID and confirm there are no banners. If you still see issues, sign out of Apple ID and sign back in to force reauthentication, or reset the keychain to clear credential conflicts. If sync still fails, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party interference. When all else fails, contact Apple support with your device serial and steps taken.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.